We can make 2 videos.
Record 2 parts. Stay over there.
Stay over there. Stay over there. Let's go back in the woods. Stay over there.
I think we're gonna go for that bird because the other one knows like it left. Is that a bird?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, not fucking me.
Hold up. Wait, yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
It looks like one. Oh my god. So, look, it does look like a bird. They're leaving.
We're gonna make 2 parts of it.
Here's mine.
We're gonna make, how long is it going for?
It's barely 1 minute.
We're gonna go for 2 minutes.
2?
Yeah. This is just a part 2, it's not gonna be that.
So. Oh, yeah, it went away. They went away.
God.
You're right there. Those little things.
Hold it.
Hold this.
Pallet from here. And now let's go look at the bird that I killed right now.
Sure. You only killed one?
Yeah, just one.
Look, show him the bird. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 21 seconds. And 22.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
You should. Pause it. But we're gonna be like, look what bird we killed right now.
Yeah, look what bird. Looks so realistic.
So realistic.
Can I hold it?
Go.
There it is. Awesome. That's where we shot it.
That's where it got shot. But it.
And also.
That's where it came out.
Yeah. That's where it came
We're
out.
shooting it with the Crosman 760 pumpmaster.
Yep.